Let's do two problems together. So if we start at 11:10 a.m. and we end at 11:34 a.m., how many minutes have passed by? Okay, let's figure that out. So I'm going to draw a number line to help me figure this problem out. And I'm going to start with 11:10. And I'm going to count by tens till I get to 11:34. So 11:10, 11:20, 11:30, and now we have 11:40. Okay, so let's jump from, we have 10 minutes to here, 10 minutes to here, and then we need to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10. Okay, so if 10 plus 10 is 20, then we count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 plus 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we have had 24 minutes go by from 11:10 to 11:34. Okay. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to draw my number line as well. Again, and we need to figure out how many minutes have gone by. This is called finding the elapsed time. Okay, I'm going to start my number line with 125, and I can either count by fives, I can count by tens. I'm going to count by tens. It'll make it go a little faster. 125 plus 10 is 135, then 145, then 155. Okay. All right, and in between all these we have 1, so that's 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, then 135. Okay. All right, so we go from 125 to 135, and we still haven't gotten to 156. So we're going to keep going. So this is 10 minutes, then this is 10 minutes, and we still need to keep going because 145 is not enough. 10 minutes. So we've gone by 3 tens, so that's 30. 30 minutes have gone by so far. 30 minutes to 155. Then we need to get to 156. So I'm going to add my 1.1s. 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Okay, so if we stop right here, this is 160. So we have 10, 20, 30, 31 minutes. Okay, you see how I did that? I jumped from tens, we're counting by tens, to 125 to 135, that's 10 minutes. 135 to 145, that's 10 minutes. 145 to 155, that's 10 minutes. So when you add all 3 tens together, you get 30, and we count 1 because we need to get to 156. So 31 minutes have gone by. Now you're going to try some on your own. Good luck.